Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. I welcome you again to an interesting DIY video where we are going to teach you how to make these unique and lovely crafts. So let's get started. Here we have just folded the paper with the help of the glue stick. We have to paste the sheets in this manner one over the other, and let's see what are we going to get. Now just arrange it in this manner, put a stick around in this way, and then when you'll open it you will end up getting a pretty cool result. Further, you have to get scrapped sheets like this, the ribbon sheets, and you need to just arrange it and fold it in this manner, getting the scraps arranged in this way. Keep on folding the sheets like this to make a pattern-like structure from the top, and then you have to give it a fold, a nice and neat fold like this, so as to end up getting a beautiful lovely flowers like this. Keep on folding it and getting it like this, and this is the pretty cool result. Now tie the end with the help of rubber bands, and this is the beautiful result. Proceeding in this manner, let's see what are we gonna get now. Here also just keep on folding the paper like this and arrange the shapes like this. Now you have to attach them one over the other and get a circular structure. In between you have to paste the sticks and all, and then make the leaves, paste it in this way, and this is the result. Proceeding in this manner, again what are we gonna do? Just keep on folding the sheets like this in this way, and in between you have to paste it like this, and then get a beautiful flower like this. Get the curls in this way with the help of small sticks, and further what are we going to do? You have to join them together, the two petals together, all of them in this way, to make a bud-like structure. Beautiful bud. Now you have to paste it in this manner and again get the buds like this arranged further in this way, and these are the pretty cool flowers. Proceeding in this manner, again get the curls like this, the cutouts and the shape, the spiral one. And what are we going to do? With the help of stick, you need to just give it a fold with this, with the help of a small stick, and then with the help of your fingers get a beautiful lovely rose like this and paste it in this form. You have to arrange them in this way. Now let's see what are we gonna do. You have to get the curls like this, and this is it. Pretty amazing. Keep on proceeding. What are we gonna do? Here also, what are we going to do? Just pretty it up. Here also, we are just folding the sheets like this, and then in the form of a crown, and then just give it a paste like this. You have to just keep it inside and make the rolls in this manner, and then attach it further. You will end up getting a beautiful result like this. Isn't it pretty cool? Damn, it is. Keep on proceeding further, and let's see what are we gonna make. Here also get the sheet of paper, and what are we going to do? Just get it folded in this manner and attach it in this form. Now you just have to give the curls and folds like this, and further again you have to just give it a fold in this manner and arrange the sheets and structure in this way further, so as to get an amazing result like this. Just keep on pasting them one over the other and get it stapled in this form to get the folds like this, and arrange it in this manner. Open it a bit and keep on arranging it till you get an amazing beautiful flower. Isn't it pretty cool? Thank you guys.